The Indus Valley Civilization is among the world's most ancient, alongside Egypt, Mesopotamia, and Sumer. Its history spans three periods: early 3800 to 2500 BCE, middle 2500 to 1700 BCE, and late 1700 to 1500 BCE. Archaeological sites like Mohenjo-Daro, Harappa, and Sutkagen reveal much. Discovered seals with images of deities and idols suggest worship, while bull imagery adorns seals and pottery. The people engaged in trade, agriculture, textile printing, and weaving. Notably, they were peaceful, with no evidence of large armies or police forces maintained by rulers. Staple crops included wheat, mustard, pulses, peas, millet, sesame, flaxseed, and rice. Their cities featured baked brick houses and paved roads. Ox carts facilitated travel and trade. Their unique script comprised 400 symbols. Around 1500 BCE, the civilization mysteriously vanished. Historians propose various theories. Some suggest conquest by the Aryans, others point to natural disasters like floods, earthquakes, or famines. A widely accepted theory is that the cessation of trade with other civilizations led to mass migration. It's vital to preserve and share this incredible story. Stay connected for more insights, subscribe and click the bell icon.